Hey guys, before this begins, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me and everything. Um, I've created Patreon, and on there you'll get samples, presets, unreleased music, music I'm working on, my current music, project files, and a lot more. Seeing as I have nothing up there yet besides just my music, this will be the first project file that you guys will get. For you to do anything with. You can remix it, re the like just edit it, change it into something completely different, or you could just learn from it. It doesn't matter to me. I may or may not make this into a full song, so it depends. Like right now, this song is kind of like a breakdown into another section, and that's where I'm going with it. But if you feel like you want to make it a full song, you can. Anyway, thanks, and here is what you will mostly find on the Patreon.